Civil Defense Counties has issued a evacuation order for New York, Rhode Island, Connecticut, and Ohio. 1. Gather friends and family. 2. Gather supplies like food, first aid kit, water. 3. Leave as fast as you can. For your safety is at risk. Not life at the moment, but safety. Please try to tune into 90.1 FM or 101.4 on the radio or stay tuned to channel 31641. Civil Defense Counties has issued a evacuation order for the whole country. Yesterday some states were hit with a tusami, and for some reason it's now hitting all of America. Please remain calm. Please remain calm. Follow the following instructions. Gather friends and family. Get on any flight in the next 24 hours 59 minutes and 59 seconds. Yes, they will be free, same thing. 4 boats. Gather food, water supplies and protection. Your life is at risk. Remain calm. And may God be with you. To whoever is hearing this, we has an important recording from us, President.
To my fellow U.S. people who are still hearing this, I just want to say that this tusami is very dramatic, but thankfully we gave everyone a quick warning and we gave them enough time so nobody was hurt, including me. Right now, I'm in the UK, and for whoever is still listening to America, which I think not, I just want to say that if you're still living, congratulations. If you ever try to rebuild humanity in America, please do, for we are desperate for the American culture. One day I knew this was going to happen, but I didn't think it was going to be this early. Over the past 2 days, it's just been mad, but thankfully the tsunami didn't kill anyone. Everyone's safe, and we helped a lot of people. We also helped them with many things. This is the President of the United States signing off for the very last time. Goodbye.
That will be probably the last message of the U.S. President. For this we will play our national anthem for the last time.
Stripes and bright stars through the perilous night, o'er ramparts we watched, where so gallantly streaming, and the rockets